Hi, this is Sahana. In this video, we are going to learn constants in C Sharp. In C Sharp, constants are the values which are known at compile time and do not change for the life of the program. We use the const keyword to declare a constant. I will write a quick code that will calculate simple interest and I'll show you how we can make use of constants. Here is a formula to calculate simple interest. Let's say you have fixed rate of interest of 5%, then you can create constant for that. You can declare public, then you can use const keyword, then specify the type, then give some name to the variable and you can assign the value 5.0. Now we have created constant. Now we can ask the user to enter the principal amount. I will declare double type variable. As this is principal amount, I'll name it as P. Then I can use, as this is console application, I can use readLine method to get the input from the user. As this method returns string, I will convert it to double. I will use convert.toDouble method. This will convert the string value to double. We have principal amount and now we are going to ask the user to enter number of years. Same way we are asking the user to enter number of years. Next we can calculate and print simple interest using this formula. If you notice here rate is constant. We are using const keyword. So once we declare and create this constant, we cannot change its value. If I try to assign some other value to this constant, we get error. The error message says the left hand side of an assignment must be a variable, property or indexer. Please note only the C# built-in types may be declared as constant. User-defined types including classes, structs and arrays cannot be constant. One more thing is constants can be marked as public, private, protected, internal or private protected. These are the access modifiers used to decide the accessibility of constants. I hope you're clear with constants. Thanks for your time. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.